I bought this bag online and I really like the buckle. From what I know, it's made from a Taiwanese brand. So let's go. I will take you to visit the company. What a nice weather. Just arrived to BuckleMan. Can't wait to visit, huh? Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. How may I help you?
My name is Michael, and the buckle from the backpack is made by you?
Yes, you betcha. I'm Max. Here's BuckleMan. Welcome.
Great. I'm very curious about your company. Could you tell me more about BuckleMan?
Yes, absolutely. So please follow me. I'm gonna show you more detail.
Okay.
Please come on in. This is our sales and purchasing department. The gentleman over there is our manager. Hello.
Hello.
This is our production board. We have a different product line in between from the most popular plastic material to the heavy duty metal material. If you want to know more detail, let's go to the showroom.
Sure.
Hello, Lois. Those are our product. The first one we're gonna see is a 100 series. This one is made by plastic ABS outside, and it's very popular for the general use. You can see like a open, release, and then lock back, and then it has a different functionality with the purpose on user side. The most basic one is maybe with the safety locker, or like like a senior center, the healthy care, or like a hospital. They will use this one as the general basic. And the next one we're gonna see is our 200 series. Then you see this one is identical as the vehicle, the replacement parts. Actually, we have a different size with the extension in the behind, so you can fit with a different type of vehicle. And then this one is another expanding line from the original one. Then we have the single either E line, the connect to the dashboard, or like a vehicle with a dictate signal purpose. So you have a more secure way to see how the condition is. And then the next one we're gonna see is our 300 series. Those one is originally from the old time, the old fashion, maybe around back to the 60s, 70s, from the old car. And then those old car, we kind of expand the product line to the different style of the buckle. Then you can open and release as a usual one. And then also you have the one with really attention. You really want to use, for example, you use the ball pen to push it, to release. And
pretty easy.
Yeah. But the purpose of this one is you really on tension to do it, not because of accidentally to push the one to release the buckle. And also something using firefighter, or like a emergency help, or like a rescue team. They like to use those kind of stronger, can take care more like strength of the power on their way to use those kind of product. You see, this piece is exactly the aircraft seatbelt buckle, and then for the general use, you can use open it and then just release it. And then we have some customer, they require more high degree open for some functionality in their different field or their professional need to release the buckle and then the back in. And then we have a different size here, you see.
But why do you have different size?
Because we want to expanding those kind of line into different field more to have a wide range of customer. Those kind of small size is related to fashion. And then on fashion field, we have this kind of thing. You can set up with your bag or your daily wear or something like a pet market or those kind of things will go around your daily.
What about this one?
This one is our 500 series. You see this kind of thumb size. You just push exactly your finger thumb, then you can release. And those one we use on kind of small bell, for example, like a children, children care, or like before I explained to you for the pet. The pet market is also this one. Some bag also take this one as well, and then also we use this one with some different connection with kind of toolbox.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is this one using for?
The following one we see, this one you mentioned is our kind of stronger, heavy duty.
Okay.
Those one is used for the racing purpose, like racing cars, or like entertainment purpose, like a roller coaster. And then you might have this one with more stronger strength purpose, with different like a rescue team to use. This one. Especially you go with like a kind of hiking rescue or like an extreme sport.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it for sport also?
Another one we're gonna see. This one is our 700 series. This one is for the military wearing, and then from the military wearing, someone use those one for some time, or like you just mentioned, the sport.
Sport, yes.
Yeah, and then some like people really like those kind of style with their kind of connection with their fashion as well too. And then mostly it's kind of daily use of wearing.
Okay.
Yeah, mostly. And the following one is exactly same as this one. Is a fun, and they make a smaller size. And this one we have a different color, and different color means have a different design. Then we gonna go with a fashion bag for the Target, or for the pet market, like before I mentioned already. And then or sometimes we gonna use for the different wearing or daily life, or sometimes it's for kind of appearance, for kind of decoration only.
For the style.
Yeah, for the style only.
Okay.
You see this one with the LED light on it, and the main purpose for this one is the light on will see easier on a dark environment. Let me put on a test module to show you the light on.
Oh.
You see?
Yes. Interesting.
And then, for example, like someone who work in like an entertainment park with like a roller coaster stuff, to wanna check everyone already see on the bell or not.
Okay.
Then, if you have this kind of device, and then if you click in, with the seatbelt is light off, and then release is exactly the same. You see, here we have a different way of using from the expanding line again. Then you see this one we come with the leather, and the keychain again.
Very stylish.
Yeah, very stylish, and then also the color too, right?
Yes.
And then those one with kind of different of the webbing, and then different color of the button, and then also we can connect with the keychain or different stuff. And then the bling bling is also used exactly the same way too. And then we're gonna go see the next one is more like a daily wearing. You see this one will easy to connect with your waist.
Oh, yes.
See? Then you can put a different way of using, or like a photo here, or something like have a different meaning or special to you with your partner for the anniversary stuff, or that kind of thing. And then we can also see the name tag here,
Very useful.
Yeah, very useful. And then sometimes, well, we don't want to carry lots of stuff with us. We just carry with the credit card or that kind of thing. We can use this one as well. And those not only we use, also we have a different way of using those kind of small buckle on the expanding line, like this one. You see exactly the gear of the pad to use those kind of things, and then we put different size of buckle and a different color, and then to identical, we can decorate with a different style and structure to different like a pet market or using for more weight. And here we can see more a product bring to the real life, like I already showed you. That is our aircraft buckle, and you see exactly the aircraft buckle structure, and then those one come from, like again I mentioned, the old fashion, from the old time with the cars back to the 60s or 70s, and then expand with different purpose of using, like a rescue team or emergency response. And then also we have a different style, something like this, for like a more comfortable to serve people with someone it's kind of not comfortable with their walking or their sitting. Then we can use this one to help. And this one is as the same function as well, but it's more like a heavy duty.
Heavy one,
heavy duty stuff.
So does BuckleMan have a new development plan and offer customized products?
Yes, exactly. And I'm gonna introduce our another manager, Denise, for a more detailed following.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Denise. We are fully to assess all kinds of processing production to product and be able to control higher quality at the same time. Customers always comes first when we handle their work and only bring up the very best of them. The spirit here is to keep customers worry-free and no issue when they choose us.
So what about the design and development?
In terms of design and development, we have an experienced team that is professional on designing, drawing, modeling, and analyzing on new products. The innovation never gets sleeping to have newer and better to our audiences. When we see on manufacturing, the various fabrication techniques such as stamping, CNC casting, and plastic injection are the skills to serve.
Okay. And do you have any product inspection?
Yes, we have product inspection on different steps of processing. The finished product will be inspected and quality checked by our full inspection department to ensure that each product meets the specifications and quality requirements. Then, automatic assembly operations and basic inspections will be carried out. During the processing, rendering checking up will be carried out. After completion, full operation inspections will be carried out. The purpose is to ensure our work make good quality products.
Great. Can you tell me more about the various equipment inspection of the company?
Of course, for example, the tensile testing machine is to ensure the safety of the product during use. The harness testing machine is to measure material strength on the product. The sole spray testing machine is to level product rust resisting. And the fatigue tool is to detect product durability. In the process of manufacturing products, we will also keep updated to the customers, provide the progress of the work so that they can have relative peace of mind and trust in us.
Speaking of that, how do the customer place order and can you provide sample?
We usually communicate and discuss with customers by email, telephone, or videos in order to understand customers' needs and answer their questions. We can also provide samples to customers for quality, evaluation, and testing if it's necessary too. In the order part, after the customer places an order, we will carry out the company's standard operating procedures from production to shipment. If necessary, we can also provide customers with product inspection, test videos, and related information between shipment so that customers can feel at ease.
Okay.
We work with different terms on shipment processing in order to serve customers' needs. For example, FOB, X-Work, CIF, and so on.
Great.
Very nice to meet you and
Pleasure.
welcome to visit to us today.
Sure.
Very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I think I will come back. Yes.
Thank you. You're welcome.
It was a very nice, nice meeting. See you later. Today I've got to know BuckleMan, a Taiwanese company that show a manufacturing quality advantage and can meet all the need to create a buckle with a long variety of product line. So I'm very satisfied with the visit and of course I will come back.